Hello everybody. So today I'm gonna show you how to reset the root password. So let me just restart this. Then you have to go on grub menu and use E, and you will get into grub menu. You have to modify the read and output to read write. Then you have to edit this quite splash into initialize bin ZSH. This is a new cell, so you have to go on your virtual box, go to keyboard, then there is a soft keyboard. So there you will find the keyboard, then use F10 from there. So let's wait for it. If you type mount, then you have a permission of read and write. So we can change the password, right, of Kali to pass. Then let's do enter, let's do pass. Next, what we want to do is execute has been initialized. Let's do enter. Let's wait for it to load a login screen. Don't worry of this black screen. It will just show for a few seconds, then it will show the login screen. Now my mouse has been shown. That means let's do Kali, and our password was pass, and let's do enter. Now it's loading. Thank you guys.